Hello, I'd like to give you about a 5-minute tutorial on how to create your draft one-page business plan in as little as 90 minutes. Begin by going to onepageplans.com, select Login, and input the company name, username, and password that I've given you. Hit Return or select Login. I'm on Apple. It always wants to remember passwords. I'm going to select Not Now. You should be taken to this page, which shows the draft plan that you've created. In this case, I'm showing a completed plan. Yours will be blank when you get started. Next, go to Point Click Plan tab and select Vision. You'll be given a short tutorial that you can click through. And then you will get to this page where it will show you a fill-in-the-blank for the company that looks like this. You can double-click any one of the underlined areas to substitute in the words that you want to use. Next, you can go to Mission, go through the short tutorial, and you'll get a simple fill-in-the-blank like this. Again, double-click the underlines and fill it in. Or if you prefer, you can highlight the entire area and put in free format words. For the mission statement, do limit it to 12 words. 6 to 8 words is probably ideal. Go to Objectives, click through the tutorial, and you're taken to a screen like this with 5 tabs. One for financial, one for customer, one for process improvement, one for learning growth, and one that allows you to review the objectives you've chosen in each of those 4 other areas. I'm going back to the financial. To use a particular objective, select it with the check mark and then fill in the blanks, double-clicking, filling it in. If you prefer free format and have something that doesn't fit, select the blank, in my case triple click, and fill in what you want for that particular area. Do keep these to a 90 character limit so that they will fit on one page, on one line when you're done. If you're a startup, you'll probably want both financial and customer objectives. If you've been in business and need to improve your operations, you'll want to add something for process improvement. If dealing with and hiring people is an important aspect of your business, then you'll want something in the learning growth area. You can select strategies, go through the short tutorial. You have the same 4 tabs in a different order. You can preview all of the strategies, and in each of the strategy areas, again, select it and fill in the blanks, or use the blank and fill in what you want for that strategy. The last area is action plans. Go through the tutorial, and it's a bit different. It shows you tabs for each quarter and then a tab for all 4 quarters together. The project title is what will show up on the planning wheel tab. Select a completion date, and then also select and put in the action plan. So the planning wheel uses the title to give you an idea if you are doing too much in one quarter or not. Whereas the action plan, this is what will show up on the one-page plan back on the My Plan page. So you'll see here it's sales focus areas decided. Please note that I have included sales, sales, and sales in each of these areas as a headline, all in caps, so that it is very easy to see the connection between your long-term strategy, your midterm objectives, and your short-term action plans, and to make sure that where necessary, if you have a certain objective, you have an action plan to back it up. Good luck. I look forward to being able to view your draft plan online. Let me know when you're ready. Good luck. Thanks very much.